Hi there, my name is Iona and welcome to my channel. You want to subscribe so you can have access to all my content in one convenient place. Now, we all get busy with our daily lives, so you want to ring that notification button so you can be reminded of new content. Like and love my channel to help me grow, and be sure to leave a comment below if this video was helpful or if there's something you would like to see me do more of. So without any further delay. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I have been exploring a little bit with pen. It has been really fun, frustrating and interesting. Let's talk about pens. Now, there's not a lot of equipment that you need. Different type of pens do different type of things. This is just a normal cheap blue and black pen. I don't even see a brand. Bic is also a brand of ballpoint. This is just promo pen, so any pen that you can find in the office or where you're working. And then of course I have got like a felt tipped pen. One thing I have noticed about the ballpoint pens, the cheaper ones especially, is that the more the ball runs, the more there's ink that comes out, so it tends to make these little blotches or little ink blots. So if you are going to use a cheap pen, I'd suggest just having a piece of tissue paper next to you, and just every time you make a line, wipe it off. It doesn't end up getting that build up, because you get so busy drawing, you do forget to wipe that pen off, and then you get this blot and you can't touch it because it will smudge it. It's now just going to be there. As for paper, I have used the all-purpose sketching paper as well as printer paper. I've used printer paper too. It is smoother to use. You can sketch your picture out with pencil first, plan out where the shading needs to happen. Other than that, it is basically just practice, and you guys will see me do practice sessions as well. So there's going to be a lot of that. So let's start with the basic ballpoint pen. You can see the tip. So I'm just going to go into this corner. This will be my cleaning corner. See, I'm just rolling off this excess. I would kind of suggest you use your pencil to sketch out your basic sketch first before you start going with pen, because pen is pretty much permanent. But of course, you need to practice your hand at shading with pen and the different pen techniques. You want to keep pressure as light as possible on your pen. So what I do is I change the distance my fingers are from the tip of the pen, because that angles the pen. Now, important thing to remember this is you want to keep your lines in one direction. You don't want to color in. So you can work on any form of paper. At the moment, I am using Prime Multimedia paper. Ta-da! It's good for ink, charcoal, pastel, and graphite, as well as acrylic. But you can also use printing paper, which has a lot. The teeth are much finer and smoother than what the ink paper is. I kind of like paper that's got a bit of a texture to it, because then your lines are less obvious. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the process. Please leave a comment below if you liked it. Remember to subscribe for more content and ring that bell to get a reminder of new content. Just go ahead and do it anyway. And I will see you next Tuesday. Bye!